everyone. Thank you for stopping by to my channel. I want to give you a quick tip to hide or to protect the formula cell. Let's say, for example, this B1, B4, and B5 and B6 have a formula, and the other one has just as numbering. So if you want to protect these cells in order to not to input anything, or you want to hide the formula as well, so it can be possible. So all you need to do is to do some settings, and then here we go. Let's say, for example, you want to hide this, so just go to your home page. In the home page you can see a number. In the number bar you just need to click the down arrow button, and you will find a pop-up window which is format cell. So the format cell is nothing, it's just a setting for your specific cell or group of cell or so forth. Here you can go to the protection, and under the protection you can see there is a lock and there is a hidden. So if you're going to say that I want to lock to the cell in order not to input anything or enter anything, and I want to hide also the cell formula from everyone, so that they cannot see the formula which is given into the cell, it can be possible. So you need to click both, make sure both the check boxes are ticked, and then you say okay. Once you said this, it doesn't mean that it start working. Let's see, it's not working. See, it's not working. So what else we need to do is, we need to protect the sheet in order to activate those requirements. So go to the protection sheet, and here you can see select lock cell and select unlock cells. You can leave it like that. These are the four default, and you are locking or unlocking, so it is okay. And it's just need to provide the password to unlock and lock your sheet. So any password, whatever you need it, you can just to give, make sure that password you should remember. So once you say this, now if you can go and see, there is nothing you can see here, but you can see all the formulas into cell B3 to B6, because I only protected this one. So see, you can see, and it is giving you information that cell or chart you are trying to change is on protected sheet. So it is protected. If you are trying to enter anything, it will always prompt you the warning. So if you wanna extend it all over, so you can, all you need to do is just, you need unprotect. Okay, go to your entire cell, whatever you need to protect, and then go to home page, and from home page you need to click the alignment settings. In the alignment settings you need to go to protection, and you see, you make sure that all these two are selected, and say okay. And then you need to go to review and protect sheet. Remember, only protect sheet. Okay, you are protecting this specific sheet, so make sure you have appropriate protection. So you did this, and now you are protected. See, there is no cell is showing the formula, and if you are typing something, within this formula it is giving error. But if you are typing here, let's say for example, so it will not allow you to do anything. Thank you. I hope it will helping you and it will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching my channel. And if you like this channel, please subscribe and forward it to your friends and colleagues in order to make sure that new video is reach out to you. Thank you. Have a great